Hello, my name is Crystal and my field placement is at a hospice agency. One thing I've really enjoyed about the experience is hearing people's stories. Our older patients without dementia have a lot of history to tell. I've also found it interesting when the children have to explain their parents to us. It makes me often wonder how my kids would describe me and what they would find important when we ask, what's the most important thing we should know about your family member? A challenge I found is seeing the fear people have around death. Most patients are okay or beyond the point of understanding what's happening to them, but their family members often are fearful, and that's just something I've never experienced personally. So it's been a challenge to try to help them with that fear through care plans and bereavement, kind of understanding what we think might happen once the death occurs and what kind of support they're going to need. One thing I've learned about myself, I am a very black and white thinker, and I look at policies a lot now, which is not something I enjoy or liked before, but I like to know what I'm supposed to be doing and how I'm supposed to be doing it. And in this field, that's not something that's very black and white. There's a lot of gray, so I am trying to expand my thinking more into the gray areas, not just for my field experience, but in my life. So.